Yo, he has a pretty good camera, I think. Yo, don't break that. Don't break that video camera, son. My nigga is wearing a bear. He is inside of a bear's mouth right now. No, not the graffiti crew, CVS. Niggas might think you get it twisted, CVS, you know, the graffiti crew. Good morning. How you feeling on your commute this morning?
Terrible.
Terrible?
There's no buses, no trains, forget it.
So you calling it? You going back home?
I'm trying.
Trying to get back home, are you?
Take care.
It's my best friend right here.
He'll get buried in
The male version. I'm about to jump on this nigga right now. No homo. Knock this nigga into the snow.
Yo, look, he left his wiper out like he's gonna do something.
Wait until he sees his whole car locked in the snow. Yo, you make the path. Yo, I'm telling you, don't break that camera, my G. It's getting humidified. I've seen it. Yo, look at the sewer, yo. The sewer stay nice and warm.
Oh, relax, the nigga's taking that shit all night.
Wow. This is how much snow we got. This nigga is standing literally like in a 2-foot hole. Bored to death. This is what happens when you get that bored. No, CVS better not be closed. That shit's 24 hours. If I know my troopers in CVS, that's one of my accounts.
I'm doing top of a car and do like a cannonball into the snow.
Off of a car.
Off of a car. Let's pick a bit. Pick a whole car.
They moved that white Lincoln that was down the block, the burn one?
Yeah, a long time.
No. So yes. Not at all. Making out a documentary. Good morning. This is Imran and his trails. How's it? It's a blizzard. It's coming back. Oh shit. Oh shit. The survival YouTube of the blizzard of 2011. Yo, some people's fronts are really clean though. Have they been cleaning all night? It's like very clean spots over here. Oh man. Where? Is Lincoln? Whose Lincoln is this?
I don't know.
Hurry up. Hurry up. My nigga's getting a cannonball off of his car. Yeah. I wouldn't think so neither. The front of it is like made out of like glass. You see all the ice on it there? Oh shit. My man's like sliding. Oh man, I think I fully got that. That slip right there. Yo, my hand is freezing. Come on. I got you on both. That's gonna be something official. Yo, we can edit both films. That shit's gonna be crazy. CVS is open. You see the lights on? 24 hours, baby. See that? That's how we do out here. Oh, man. Yo.
I totally forgot that I cut the tips off this part of the glove.
Yeah, that's why you need to take the camera back. Oh, man. Wow, they did it up right here. fun don't end right here, because we just come back. If you want, we could just shoot from there. Oh, man. Gosh. We out here. Good morning. How's your commute? Bad? Train's not running? Looking for your car? Did you lose your car?
No.
I met somebody last night. He didn't find his car. He didn't know where it was at. He was lost. It's crazy, right? Look at this Volkswagen. It's trapped in here. Oh, man. They cleaned this up pretty good. So what do you got to say about yourself, boy? Yo, you're inside of a bear's mouth. Is that a beaver or a bear?
Beaver.
My man is inside of a beaver's mouth. This fucking guy. Yeah. This fucking guy. Oh shit, did I stop this? Oh no, I didn't stop it. Good. Oh, but it's about to stop, I think. Alright. Hold on, my phone's acting crazy right now. It's acting crazy. Okay, yes, holding it down. We made it. Challenge number 1. Damn, in your face. Yeah. You been trapped in here? You trapped in here? Come on, you going on YouTube, man. Come on, you gotta be happy. No, you're not happy to be working up in here? You trapped in here, man. With other people out there freezing. Oh, man. Alright. We're gonna have to call it quits. Not too much adventure in CVS. Walk around, shop, and act stupid or whatever. We're not gonna do it on purpose. This is a snow episode right here. We're about to do it for 2011. You know what I'm saying? Okay, I'll show you. Heard? Alright. Be back.
I don't dine on swine.
What you said? Repeat that? You don't dine on swine?
I don't dine on swine.
Alright, I hear that.
It's not delivery, look, it's a You're gonna get that?